Zero remittance, March 28 to April 4. Feel the wrath of the Filipino workers, no remittance week. Bring PRRD back home. It is time for the current administration of the Republic of the Philippines to realize the grave mistake they made against former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte or Tatay Digong. This powerful global campaign will launch on the occasion of our beloved former President's 80th birthday. A week of zero remittances will send a strong message. This is a significant loss for the Philippines economy, and the administration must heed the call of OFWs to reinstate FPRRD back to our homeland. Mais of Croatia Chapter Europe, GMA News Media Post. Nagpaalala si Chief Presidential Legal Counsel Juan Ponce Enrile na mag-isip ang sinumang nagpayo sa mga overseas Filipino worker na suspendihin ang pag-remit ng kanilang kita bilang protesta sa pag-aresto kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. Tanong ni Enrile, paano kung bumilta ang Kongreso at suspendihin o kansilahin ang tax privileges ng mga OFW? The OFW are income tax-free on their earnings abroad. They do not pay travel taxes, they do not pay airport fees, they are exempt from documentary stamp taxes on their remittances, and they are also exempt from filing income tax returns. In addition, they have to have passports to be able to work as OFW, ani Enrile. Mga OFW, huwag na kayong makisawsaw sa politika. Mabuti sana kung ang pinaglalaban nyo ay tama.